we're like, oh, hey, that's our friend.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Fastpass with us. I'm Jason.
I'm Amber.
And tonight we are here at the Jungle Bird in Sacramento, California to experience their Alice in Wonderland pop-up event. So they have some tiki mugs and some fancy foods that we're gonna try tonight. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go check it out. And as you can see, I'm wearing an appropriate t-shirt for the festivities today. I'm excited.
That's the one with the chocolate.
Go ahead.
Ooh. You can see the chocolate in here.
There's chocolate in it?
Yeah.
Blended. Oh my god, it's so good.
Does it taste like chocolate?
It's chocolatey minty.
I think what happened was we accidentally.
You should try it.
Okay, so Amber says this actually tastes like chocolate.
It tastes like a Girl Scout cookie Thin Mint.
Does this get like that in there?
Wow.
Or
You're right. It tastes like
Oh,
chocolate
okay,
mint.
okay.
Yes.
Wow.
It looked like there was alcohol. How is that? Is it good?
It's good. It tastes like a Thin Mint.
Tastes like cinnamon.
It's got a little bit of cinnamon, but that was stronger than I expected it to be.
Does it taste good to you?
Hold on.
Do you know what's in here, Amber?
A lot of rum.
Mustard.
Let's not be silly.
Kind of tastes like a Mai Tai.
Oh, that's not bad, dude.
A Mai Tai. A Mai Tai
There's
is
pineapple. There's pineapple juice in this. Yeah.
No, there's
Very
not.
fruity.
There's zero pineapple juice.
What is it? Orange juice?
It's orange and lemon. And black tea. There's tea in there.
No
Tea.
mustard.
No.
Tea. Tea.
Must not forget the tea.
Just half a cup.
Queen.
This is the Red Queen, so this is
Red
like
Queen.
off with their head.
Yep.
We're here with Snack and Flick, by the way.
Hey!
Hey, nice shirt.
Hey, I know. It looks familiar.
You're wearing an appropriate shirt for the occasion.
Okay, so that one has pineapple.
That one has pineapple in it. Okay, okay.
It would normally be served in the
banana.
Red Queen mug, but I decided not to go into one today.
No mug.
mug.
All right. It looks like you lost your head with that one.
I
though.
did.
This one was set on fire at one point.
Yeah, it was. You know why?
Burnt.
Because it's mad. These look like so these are the doorknob kebabs. It's good though, huh? Okay, let's try this. Ooh, very spicy.
Yeah, good game or bad?
It's good. It's good. It's spicy though. Yeah. There's potatoes and stuff in here too. As you can see, we didn't like the food very much at all. Not at all.
These are the beignets. They look
And lady the campus. Try it, yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
there it is.
Ooh, it's good. The chocolate sauce on there is amazing. What do you think, man?
Shit, dude. Hey, look, they got mine.
So they have some of the stuff from Disney. This is the Tiki Room one with Jose. That's the Haunted Mansion gargoyle, and you can see the hitchhiking ghosts in the back there.
I thought that was a Club 33 exclusive.
Might have been. I don't know.
I think it was.
We'll see you real soon.